Hello everyone, firstly a warm welcome for watching this video. I am an Instagram shop and Facebook shop expert with experience of approving more than 200 plus Instagram and Facebook shops on different freelancing platforms, and I have experience of Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Squarespace and all the main e-commerce websites. You can check my reviews on the gig on which you are watching this video. And now, why Instagram shop is important? Instagram shop is important because Instagram is the most rapidly growing social media platform in the world and has monthly billions of users. So what Instagram shop will do is, with the help of Instagram shop, within one click or within few clicks, you can generate sales for your websites or your store. So it's really important. Apart from Instagram shop and Facebook shop, I am a Facebook and Instagram marketer as well, and I specializes in e-commerce websites and running ads for their stores like Shopify, WooCommerce, and produce sales for them. As there is a call feature available on this platform as well, so you can call me and interview me at any time. Also you can message me. I will reply back in 30 minutes. So get your issues resolved by contacting me. I will give you the best support possible.